Okay, welcome back, and hopefully you checked out your preview and figured out your number for the FPS. And now we're going to move on to actually making the boot animation and putting it on our phones. So let's hurry up and get through this. So what we're going to do is open the boot animator creator, and we're going to click next. We're going to choose folder. Once we choose our folder, we're going to go to animation, and we're going to highlight part once again and click next. Okay, in this we're going to highlight this area right here and click edit. What we're going to do is change the pixels to the correct pixels for the Samsung moment, which is 480 by 320. And we're going to change the height to the height that you had found on the previewer. And we're going to add a loop, and we're going to choose part 0, add another loop, part 1, add, and finally add another loop, part 2, add, and any other loops you want to add on, or any other folders you want to add on, and etc. Now what adding the loop does, it actually lets you see the video. Without these loops you won't be able to see the video, so you absolutely must put at least one for each part that you have on your folder. Okay, we're going to go to next, and we're going to click save. And what we're going to do is save, click on your desktop after and find the animation folder that you had created on it. And we're going to open that. We're going to click inside of boot animation, and we're going to title this boot animation. And we're going to save. And once we save, we're going to click next, and you have the option to preview your boot animation right here. I don't know if you can actually see mine up here, but hopefully it won't come out too big on mine. If that's the case, then I will just find a different video, but from the looks of it, it might just be too big. But we will try. Now what you're going to do is head over to your Android device, and you're going to go to Marketplace, and you're going to download a free app called File Expert. And it's basically, it looks just like a blue tray with paper in it. It's called File Expert, and once you download that, and this is the apps that I actually use, once you download it, go into it, and what you're going to do is click what you want to do is download that, and then exit out of that, and what you want to do is mount your phone by connecting it to your computer, and make sure you turn on mass USB storage. Click finish, and go to that, and what you can do right here is open your boot animation, right click, press copy, go over to your device in your thing, and then paste it in the root, and make sure you don't click on it to where it actually puts it in another folder. Paste, and if there's something there that's already called, for me I have to copy and replace. Okay, and now you are done with the computer side. Now you're going to go back to your phone, turn off the USB storage, and go to the File Expert app. And this File Expert app, I will try and put a link for it so that you know where it is and what it looks like also underneath the description. So you're going to press the start button, the plus button inside of it once the app starts, so that you open up a new tab. You're going to go to the right tab, go to My Files, go to SD card, scroll all the way down. Once you scroll all the way down, press your menu button, More, and at the very top of the Operation tab you see Mount. What you're going to do is Mount as Right. This allows you to be able to change anything in the internal phone. Without this you won't be able to put the boot animation on at all. And what you're going to do is long press the boot animation zip file, and you're going to click copy. You're going to go back home, go to My Files again, go to Phone Internal Storage. This time pay close attention. You're going to go to Data, and once inside of Data you're going to scroll down again and go to Local, and you're going to paste inside of Local, and if there's something there you're going to want to overwrite it. and wait till that finishes. And once that finishes, there you go, you should have it. Just turn off your phone and reboot it, and you should be all set. Thanks for watching. Alright, bye.